Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you if you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F207. So what is this error and what can we do to fix it? So this error, the F207, is a open circuit error. So and it's happening downstream of the compressor. So it's something after the compressor that's short circuiting or the circuit is open, and so it's not going to be easy for you. You're going to need to call a technician to get this fixed, but before you do that, there's one quick and easy thing you can do that can sometimes clear out these electronic errors, and that is to do a hard restart on the machine. So to do a hard restart on the machine is, just like on a computer that's acting up, sometimes doing this will just clear out whatever's wrong and it'll start working again. So all we need to do is just turn it off. And then we need to disconnect it from power, so either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit and leave it off for a full minute. And then once that minute's up, then you can restore power, come in and turn it back on, and see if it doesn't clear that error out. Now if it doesn't, at that point you can go ahead and call the technician, but there is a reasonable chance that this will clear it out. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.